All right, so if you want to set up Windows Hello Face Login, we're going to go to Settings first. I'll go to the Start menu and go to Settings, or you can hold down the Windows key and press I on your keyboard. That'll also open Settings. Then, in Settings, we're going to go to Accounts first, and from the Account menu, go to Sign In Options. Here, you'll see Facial Recognition Windows Hello, so we'll click that and then click Setup. To use Face Login on Windows 11, your PC must be equipped with a compatible infrared camera. Standard webcams will not work for this, because Windows relies on infrared sensors specifically to prevent photo or video spoofing attempts. Basically, making sure no one can unlock the computer by simply showing a picture of you to the camera. We'll click Get Started, and this is where you turn on your camera and get yourself centered in the frame. My home office is messy and ugly, so I'm blurring out that mess from the video, but basically, you'll look directly at the camera, it'll scan your face, and you'll see a little progress square slowly complete around your face. That's it, really. Once that's done, it's going to ask you to set up a PIN if you don't already have one. I don't have a PIN, so we're going to create one right now. First, it'll ask for your account password, and after that, I can create a PIN. I'll hit OK, and we're all set up. Now, my computer can automatically dismiss the lock screen when it recognizes my face. There's also an Enhanced Facial Recognition Protection option. This is an anti-spoofing feature for Windows Hello Face Login, and it's off by default. You have to manually turn it on. What it does is make it significantly harder for someone to trick your face login using a photo, a video playback, or even a 3D mask by requiring stricter hardware and depth sensing checks before it'll unlock your PC. One thing worth knowing, this feature is only available on Windows 11 Pro, Enterprise, and Education editions, not the Home edition. And there's a trade-off. Turning it on can occasionally make sign-in a little less reliable, especially in poor lighting or on hardware that doesn't fully support the stricter detection. So if you turn it on and start having trouble signing in, that's a known side effect, and it's totally fine to just turn it back off. And that is how you set up Windows Hello Face Login on your Windows 11 computer. Click that like button if this video helped you, and subscribe for more easy guides like this one.